Hello again, and welcome to our tutorial about pages. So we're going to add, edit, and delete pages, just like the post discussion that we had earlier. And basically, parehas lang. It's almost the same, and with the concept of creating posts and creating pages. The only difference is that posts are non-static, so they are contents that were added like articles, and they will not stay in the home page forever. Meanwhile, pages do stay on the page on a static way, so they are there most of the time, and depende na lang dun sa inyong administrator kung gusto nilang mag-alis, magdagdag ng pages. So, most of the time, ang mga pages ay meron silang menus na tinatawag. So, if I have a page about ASC, so it's a static page that I can visit every time I tap on a button or a menu. Okay? So, at least sana nagets nyo yun. And I mean, I explained it properly. Ngayon, let's try to add new page or just edit new one. Saan ba dito pwede tayo magdagdag? Core values. ASC him. Do we have ASC him already? Ayan. So, naka-add na pala ako ng ASC him. What else can we put? Core values. So we don't have core values yet. So let's do that. So add new post, I mean page, all pages. Pag titignan natin yung mga existing pages natin. So wala pa. Okay. We only have home, ASC him, the library, mission, vision, objective. And wala pa tayong tignan na natin. So meron na. Core values. So wala si core values. Ano ang core values ba ng ASC? Let's try to look. So page, add new, okay? Parang sa post din. And then core values. For the meantime, mag-set tayo ng featured image. Kunwari ito. Okay. And then for the core values, mag-invento na lang tayo muna. So, tingin tayo ng ibang website. Mamasu. MSU. So, almost parehas kayo tayo. Core values. Okay? Okay. Kunwari, ito yung core values natin, ha? Yan. Pwede kayong mag-copy paste actually. And ang yung editor natin is WYSIWYG. What you see is what you get. Okay? You can also add links, gaya nito. So, i-highlight nyo lang. Add link. Kunwari, your link out to your um, ito, page na ito. Just paste the link here. Apply. And naging link na siya. So, every time you click on that, we'll go straight to the Mamasu website. Okay, just tap on publish. At publish na siya. Parang si post din, ganun mo rin ipi-preview yung inyong page. Okay? View page sa taas. And then click on it. And nandyan na siya. So, pwede nating palitan ito actually. Default template. Wag na natin palitan yun. Bale, hindi ko napalitan yung um, template. Yes, yung template. So, hindi ko alam kung ano dyan yung wala itong scrolling image na ito sa ating template. But anyway, parehas na parehas talaga siya sa inyong post. So, hindi nyo magiging problema ito kung naintindihan nyo na about the post. So, let's just go back to all the pages na meron tayo. And makikita nyo siya, nandito na si core values. And na-preview nyo din siya by clicking on the view link here. Okay. What else? Pag itatry natin i-access dito, ay wala pa. Bakit? Paano nangyari yun? It's because under the menu, hindi pa natin in-update yung proper link for core values. So, how do we do that? So, copy natin yung link, ng post natin. Or, I mean yung page natin. Edit page. So, you get this link. Wait, what a minute. Edit page. Okay, just copy this whole link here. And then under menus, appearance, and then menus. Okay. Actually, meron na siya dito. Core values. Okay. Ayaw ko siyang alisin. Magdagdag na lang tayo. Ayaw kong i-disrupt yung ginawa ko. Kasi baka malito na ako. So, magdagdag na lang tayo. So, paano mag-add ng menu sa ating menu structure? Just go to under the pages, and look for the page, core values, and then add to menu. Okay, makikita nyo yan nasa pinakababa. So, pwede nyo i-drop, drag, and drop sa inyong arrangement para mailagay. So, ilagay ko na lang siya na sub-item ni core values na isa pa. Okay? So, about ASC, meron siyang 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 na sub-item or sub-menus. Okay? Yan yung makikita nyo dito. Yan. Yan. Ngayon, yung page na inad ko, na ginawa natin ng menu, linagay ko under core values din. Kasi ayaw ko siyang ma-disrupt. Okay? Then, save menu. Pag happy na kayo, sana all happy. Yan. Just wait lang ha. Yan. Pag na save nyo na, just refresh the page or reload it. Yan. Tignan natin kung anong changes ang nangyari. So, pag i-scroll down natin, i-hover natin yung about ASC na menu. And under core values, meron siyang sub-item again, which is also a core values page. So, pag click natin siya, meron siya doon. Okay, let's try to delete the page. Reset. Okay, under pages, and then core values, move to trash because I don't like that. Okay, and then visit site, para makita natin kung nandun pa siya. Wala na. Kasi dinilit nga natin. Okay guys? Pag i-reload natin to, hindi niya na mahanap ito. So, i-remove na rin natin. And then click on save menu. Yan. So, parehas lang naman sila ng concept ng post. So, gawin nyo na ang inyong assignment and I'll be checking next week.